Hello viewers, welcome to our How To Studios. Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to use Photoshop Express. So before going into the application, we're going to know how to install it. So Photo Express, if you go to Google and type in Photo Express app or Photo Express, you can see different options, Photo Express, Photo Editor. That will give you directly links. So go to the Microsoft, get Photoshop Express. You can directly sign in from the Google, or you can go directly, like I'll go to Microsoft, like Play Store. You log in into Play Store, then you can search Photoshop Express Adobe. So after it's loaded, the product is installed because I already have it. I can launch from here. If you don't, you can see the button like install. After it install, like you can launch it. So I have my Photoshop here. When you click the button launch, that will come up like this. Here you have a select image source to start editing. That's picture library, that's from your computer, or camera, that directly open up your camera if you want to take a picture. And here you have a try Adobe Lightroom for free. So you can try the Lightroom for free, and then after, if you like it, you can buy it. So first you have to sign in. If not, it will push you out all the time. So I suggest to sign in with your email address and your preferences about the app if you want to know about the app, and if you want to send any feedback by using this app, you can do it. You can sign out or you can just keep it sign in. So let's go into the topic. Photoshop Express is pretty cool image tool I ever seen to edit pictures. It's pretty quick and it's a free one. Let's go and edit some pictures. Let's pick something here. I'll pick one that have some buildings. So this we're seeing this buildings pictures here. So if you want to go and edit different looks, this is the option. You have the main menu, a drop down, and you have this settings here. In the settings, if you want your picture image size original or any other pixel, you can make it custom as well. And the quality of the image, you can choose how quality, high quality, maximum or low you want. um, and you can go back. So here this button is looks, this button is crop, and this button you can do corrections in the image. This is a spot here bandit tool, I like it, and the fix red eye and the borders. So we have plenty of stuff here. You can play with the image. So let me show you how this button works. It's a auto enhance button. If you click on it, it will, wow, it makes all the corrections that you needed. It don't remove images, don't remove any objects that you want to remove, but it will do most of the all the lighting, shadows, and frame, all the picture, make it look good by doing all the colors for you. So if you want it, you just click on it, it do everything for you. You have to do nothing, and you can do, if you want to remove any objects, you can go further, or else that's the best thing to do. So if you want to do manually on yourself to show your creativity, we can use like looks, we can have basics, charm, black and white, and different things here under the looks. You go to charm, you can see charm 1, charm 2, charm 3, so on. It's different lighting effects that you can see here. Dark, charm 3, dark, 4, dark, charm 5 is pretty white, more lighting, sound. And the basic, you can see like different picture, summertime, winter time, invert. It's, if you want to use for animations or something like that, you can change pictures like this, and depends upon whatever kind you're using, you can make it differently. So let's go to the next tool. Let me see how it looks like in black and white. This is kind of old pictures. That's cool. So whatever you did, if you don't want to keep it or you want to go back, this is an undo button here on the top in the center. You click on it. Once you click on it, come back, and again and again, whatever steps, how many steps you want to go back, you can undo it. If you want to redo it, you can click this arrow that's showing forward. You can redo whatever you did. You can undo by clicking the arrow backward. So that's there. Now we can see how to crop the picture. If you want to crop your picture only particular, so for example in this building, if you want to crop only one building, if you want to see only one building in your picture, you can like click free size and you can move the cursor to and fro. You can select a building. So yep, you can do whatever you want. So, or else if you want to put this image as your FB event cover, you can just click on it. It will make that dimensions for you. You don't have to do it on yourself. You can move up and down as you like. Or Instagram, people mostly uses Instagram. Nowadays, you can put Instagram picture sizes here. And LinkedIn backgrounds, like if you want official LinkedIn background, like buildings or trees, depends upon the picture you have, you can do that. So this is the original size I have here. Then corrections, you can do whatever corrections you want, like exposure, contrast, highlights, everything. So in this auto enhance button, it do everything for you. So it adjusts each and everything here, looks, corrections, mostly looks and corrections it do for you, auto enhancing the picture. You can see. So that's the corrections part. You can whites, blacks, and whatever colors you want, the temperature you want, or tint. You can do whatever saturation levels you want. If you want to increase the saturation level or decrease the saturation level, you can do it by clicking auto enhance. It do all for you. So different effects you want, clarity, grain, or vintage. Let's try the vintage. Yep. So here the spot heal tool I like very much, because whenever I see this kind of objects that looking into the picture but they are not like disturbing the picture or something like that, I'll increase this brush size. You can increase the brush size, depends on your need. If you want a bigger object to cover or a smaller object to cover, you can do it. So by the spot here, you can tap on the area you don't want to. It can replace by the surrounding area. So let's see, for example, the light looking into the picture. Just tap on it. It's gone. Boom. Magic. Right? Now you don't have any disturbances from this side. And if you don't want this light here, you can just boom. That's gone. Now you can see only the buildings. That's pretty cool. So after that, fixed eye or pets. So you have the people. If you have a people in your picture that looking, and maybe some sun or flashlight falling into their eyes, and the eyes looking in the picture red or flashy, so you can like directly click on their eye and it will change into black, so that will like not stand up in your picture with red eyes. So you can use that for correcting the red eye with a single click. And you can use the borders here for your picture if you want to frame it, or if you want to do some borders. You have the basic options and also edges and frames. In the basic, you have a tints and black and white borders, thin, thick, circle, or something like that. You can shape it vertical or horizontal, depends on your need. So let's go to some edges. Let's see what edges we have. It looks like a film reel that's going, and film emulsions. So rough edges, if you want to look your picture with rough edges, and dragged. So yeah, whatever you like. So, and the frames, you have frames here. You can make it a frame like looking like a real picture you want to print out and hang it out in your homes, or putting on your lamp table, something like that, lampstand, or whatever you want. So this redwood looking pretty for me, so I will save that. So how to save that? Here you go, the button here on the top right, we have save and share. Click on it, save to your computer. Here, like change, if you want to edit the name, you can do that by saying what the picture is. So I'll say my new pick one or something like that. I'll save it, and it's saved. So if you want to do another picture editing, you just click on this button, you select from your library again, you can do whatever you want to do. That's pretty cool. Thank you for watching.